Okay, so we're going to have a quick walk around to see the current status of the property. It's 21st of January. I've been busy channeling out today. Got the nice pink graffiti, all my lines I've had to cut out. Obviously the channeling for the plumber, all the way down the hallway. More electrics. So every single room has been carved up, so to speak, at the moment. I suppose it's got to get worse before it can get better. There's the layout AC unit going to go up there. Obviously more electrics, plenty of cementing to do, cover all the tracks. Carnage in the bathroom. There's the plumbing work. I've just got to channel a little bit more up the top there for extracting fans to see the pink lines going up. It needs to be cut out. But most of the pipe work has been put in, and the same for the ensuite. This doorway is going to be blocked up. Just had one of the builders square off this archway because it was pretty bad. There's a lintel up there, wooden one which I removed and then put a concrete one in. So the lighting's a little bit bad in that room. Then we've got our bedroom. No, not the bedroom. This is going to be the front room. Just had the archway squared off. So that's ready for plastering. Managed to keep the tiles, which is good. More electrics carved out in the wall. And then the other side, he thought it was finished, but I said, well, got to the top bit really, and then it's finished. So he's back in tomorrow. Then we've got our kitchen. Major for me. All the electrical sockets. It looks like a lot, but it is a kitchen. Wires hanging out everywhere. And now I think we've finally made a decision on the patio door. So it's going to go up a little bit higher than what the current cutout is. But yeah, that's ready to be ordered. Currently on lockdown, but there's a company that can deliver for us, so that will make life a little bit easier. So hopefully that'll be delivered midpoint next week. Happy days. Alright, let's go to the little bedroom, what we missed. Another bit of channeling for the hallway. Gonna have 3 lights going all the way down. I'll light this up. And then the little bedroom. So, the doorway's there. It's been squared off. Again, builder's just got to finish off the top bit and then channel the conduit down the back wall. The bells. And there's the patio. All ready for Friday. How are we doing? So we're 2.5 months in, and the plumbers have arrived. I had the electrician in this morning give me instructions on what I can do next. So it's all moving in the right direction. Okay, here we are. So it's the 27th of January. The electrics have nearly been installed fully. Just waiting for a bit more cabling to be done, and then the outside box. So I'm going to begin doing the filling in of all the cavities, and obviously the the main channel going down the centre of the hallway. It's going to be a lot of concrete, a lot of mixing. As you can see, got the full run going all the way back. So I can level that up and then hopefully get that ready for the tiler to come in. So 2 bathrooms. I'll stop all these trip hazards and obviously into the patio area and fill up the holes as much as possible. So we're trying to get hold of a cement mixer at the moment because otherwise my back's going to be in bits. So yeah, at this stage I was using the old shovel and the wheelbarrow, mixing it up. Not too pleasant on the lower back, but there you go. And obviously using a few boulders just to eat some space up. But fortunately, I think not long after this, we got the cement mixer. So obviously that did speed things up and make life a little bit easier for myself. Obviously you have to keep it wet to make sure the cement adheres to the dry surface. Little tip I got taught from one of the builders. There we go, a bit more water, lovely. So obviously this is the area we're at to chip up the tiles. And fortunately I found some tiles the right size because they were discontinued in the upstairs bathroom. So once I filled all this in, they could be laid back down. So otherwise the whole patio would have been destroyed. Or, well, another big cost implication because obviously, yeah, new tiles, could have patioed over the existing tiles to save a little bit of time and money. But it didn't have to come to that, so we was lucky. The speed of him, look. Rapido. Lovely job, nice and smooth. Oh yeah, and then the last bit of the channeling out, I was a bit worried about this because it did look a deep box. Because obviously we had 2 metres going in there, or we was going to, well we did have it ready to put 2 metres in. So a lot of stones made it a lot more difficult. Yeah. Not the nicest looking of boxes, but you're sort of limited, and that's what we had, and probably because of the budget as well.
Yeah.
So we'll get all the grey lumpy bits off.
Do you have to?
Sorry?
Do you have to?
Yeah, some of them are loose anyway because obviously the dampness at the bottom of the wall.
Right. So that's a hammer drill job.
Oh no, they're coming off quite easy, the lower ones.
Okay.